So the first thing I'm going to do is spray my face with this Tower 28 SOS, the Daily Rescue Facial Spray. I've already used this. It doesn't have any scent to it. It just smells like you're spraying water on your face, so it's really nice on the face. I'm going to try this Plum Shot from Buxom. This is the collagen infused lip serum. There are so many mixed reviews about this. People are comparing it to the Too Faced lip injection. The lip injection is my holy grail, but this one is a serum, so it will be probably different. So we'll see if my lips change, you know. For primer today, I have a new primer that I've never tried before. It's from Marc Jacobs. It's this one here. This is the Undercover Blurring Coconut Face Primer. This is clear. It just looks like it's a silicone based primer, and it feels silicone-y as well, so I'm just gonna push it into my skin like so. I have a new foundation. I haven't opened it yet. This is the Glowish by Huda Beauty, and this is in the shade Light 03. They didn't have a lot of shades on the website. I think they're like about 10 or so. But this one is supposed to be a dewy glow, healthy looking skin, fragrance free. So it says wear alone for an all over healthy glow. Apply to center of the face and blend outward. Add to your favorite foundation to boost luminosity. So it's not claiming that it's a BB cream, but it's of a more of a glowy base. So we'll see how it goes if I like it as a base. I will just add maybe concealer on top just to kind of make it work. But this is what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to pump. So it looks like this. It's a squeezy tube, just like so. You get 40 ml in this. So this is called the Multi-Dew Skin Tint from Huda Beauty. So this is the shade 03. I'm going to do one side of my face first and see how it performs. It is a little bit dark to be light, you know what I mean? Light 03. It has a peachy undertone to it. We'll make it work. So it doesn't have any scent. I'm sure we're going to be using more if we need a little bit more coverage, but this claims for a light coverage. So as you can see, my lips are turning pink. It is tingly a little bit. I'm going to drag it down my neck as well. It is very, very glowy, as you can see. The way it looks good in person, but when I look in the viewfinder, I'm very glowy because of all the lights. I'm gonna apply Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade 29 Neutral. I'm gonna apply this one under the eyes and right in the center of my face. I'm gonna blend this concealer with the same brush. I'm going to use this Tarte Breezy Cream Bronzer. This came in that little kit. I'm going to apply this bronzer with the same brush. Okay, this is such a beautiful color. I always wanted to get the full size, but just didn't want to, just because I have so many bronzers at the moment that I want to use up. So this came in that little kit from Sephora's Favorite. It's blending really nicely. The color is so beautiful. It's reminding me of the Chanel cream bronzer that I have, so it's really pretty. I'm gonna use this blush duo from Jouer. This is new at Sephora, and this is called the Blush and Bloom Cheek and Lip Duo. You can has this shade that is a little bit more pinky, and then this one is a little bit more of a peachy pink color. This reminds me of NARS Orgasm, but this is like a cream version. I'm not sure what to use, to be honest. I'm gonna go with the pink. I haven't put pink on my cheeks for a while now. I'm going to apply this one with the same brush. Oh, that is really, really nice. I don't have a new highlighter, but I have this powder here. This is from Tarte. This is the Shape Tape Glow Powder. This is like a setting powder for people who have dry skin. It feels like exactly the Hourglass powders. So just because I have so much glow going on at the moment, I'm not going to apply this one all over my face because I'll be a glowing goddess. I'm gonna apply this one just as a highlight, but I'm gonna set my face first. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier powder and I'm just gonna apply it under the eyes and on the center of my face. Just gonna dab the creases here so it doesn't crease on me. And I'm not gonna apply a lot because this concealer doesn't need a lot of powder. I'm gonna set the mouth area and a little bit on the forehead as well. So I'm going to use Turn Up the Base powder from One Size. This is in the medium 1 neutral. I'm going to set the rest of the face with this one here. You can use it as a foundation. I haven't used it as a foundation yet, so I don't know how it performs, but probably I will do another video just using it as a foundation. So I'm just going to apply it right on the cheek area. I got another shade of this in the light shade, just to use it for my under eyes and when I'm not tan. So this base, it's looking really, really nice with everything that I put on. I'm not too shiny at the moment. I'm still luminous, but not as before, just because of all the powders that we put. Okay, so now I'm going to use this powder from Tarte Cosmetics. This is the Shape Tape Glow Powder in the shade Starlit. I'll take this brush here from Persona Cosmetics, and I'm just going to highlight my face with this. Yeah, so these are the exact idea of the Hourglass powders. No chunkiness, no glitter, no shimmers. It's just a healthy, glowy powder. And they have different shades as well. I think they have about 6 of them or 5 to choose from. The summer collection from Dior. This is in the shade 05, Warm Bronze. It's not too warm, to be honest, on the skin. It's really, really pretty. I'm just gonna set the powder, so this is how it looks. It looks warm, but it doesn't go warm on the face. I'm just going to set that Tarte cream bronzer in place. I'm gonna bronze my neck as well. So the base look amazing. Like in person, I'm looking at myself in the mirror. It's really, really pretty. I'm gonna try one more blush just because I have it, it's new. I want to try it on with you guys. I got those blushes from Pat McGrath, and I will use Nude Venus. The packaging is so beautiful, but it's just hard to open. So there's a little button here you can push, and it's not easy to open. But the color is so pretty. It's like a peachy nude color. It has a hint of pink in it as well, so it's really pretty. So I'm just gonna set that Jouer cream blush in place as well. I really like to do that. I feel like it stays longer on your face when you have a cream and then powder on top. And again, I'm using the same brush from Persona Cosmetics. It's really nice. Very handy because it has the dual side. Got this Patrick Ta palette. This is called the Major Dimension Eyeshadow Palette. And this is just dropped yesterday, the 3rd, so today's the 4th. And I'm so excited to use it today. It's really a pretty, the same exact packaging as his other products. And this is so pretty, you guys, like neutral colors, like browns and bronze and all these lovely colors that I really like. It comes with 2 creams as well. You can use them as bases before you apply your those dark shades. I'm so excited to use it today, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing today. So I did apply some Shape Tape concealer on my lids. Take a fluffy brush like this, and I'm going to start with this light shade right here. I'm gonna dip my brush in there. I'm gonna apply this one on the crease as my transitioning shade. And I didn't set my concealer, so this is gliding so well on top. The eyeshadow is really smooth and buttery, so it's like blending so well on the concealer. And these cream shadows have covers as well, so that's really good, so the powder doesn't get into it. But I'm gonna take this shade now, and I'm gonna apply it same way I applied the first one, just back and forth. I'm gonna take this cream color now, and I'm gonna apply it with a small brush, just like this one here. And I'm going to apply it on the inner and the outer corner as a base. So I'm gonna do like a halo eye today. So these are bases, so you can make your matte shadows to be intense. So we'll see now. I'm going to take a smaller brush, and I'm going to this beautiful reddish brown color, and I'm going to apply it on the cream. The color is really going dark just because of the cream that we applied, and I don't know if I like that or not. We'll see. I'm going to take this fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend the edges. So this will be really nice as a base for a smoky eye, but it's looking really good actually. To take this bronzy shade, this one here, with my finger, and I'm just going to apply it in the center of my eyes. That's really pretty. So these shades are toppers, like they're sheer with so much glitter, but it has a color. I'm going to add more of this shade just to blend the edges. I'm gonna try another color. I'm gonna try this beautiful peachy shade, and I'm gonna apply it on the center as well, just on top of the bronzy shade, just to make it look brighter. I'm going to take the lightest shade in the palette, right in the inner corners. I don't know if my finger will be better, but I'm gonna apply it here. They're more like glittery type of eyeshadows. There's another one here. I'm gonna use this shimmery one for the inner corners. This is better. Yep. I'm gonna take the same reddish brown color, and I'm gonna apply it in the lower lash line. So it's more reddish than brown because we didn't apply the cream. So just keep that in mind. If you apply the cream, it will make your eyeshadow darker. So as you can see on my lid, it looks dark. I'm just gonna apply some mascara. I put my lashes, and I use the Velour lashes. These are the LOTD collection. They're really nice. I had to cut them. They were very, very long. So I'm just gonna apply some mascara to the bottom lashes. I'm gonna apply the same glitter on the bottom just for that halo effect. This is how the eyes look like. I really love the colors. They blend it really well. I didn't have any hard time blending anything, so it's really a good palette. Just gonna line up my lips. I don't have any new lip liner, so I'm just gonna use this KVD D minor. I have two products for lips. I'm not sure which one to use today. I got this Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Tinted Love Lip and Cheek Tint. I got my shade Love Chain. It's a more of a reddish color. I will try it and see if I like it on my lips. It's a pretty color actually. I'm just gonna rub it like this with my finger. This will be probably good when I do like a an everyday makeup look. Just pop it on my cheeks and my lips as well for a flushed look. But I don't like it with the look today, so I'm gonna use another product that I bought recently. This is the Dior lipstick, and this is the Rouge Dior 505. This is the Sensual Matte. I love the formula. It's very, it looks matte on the lips, but it's really hydrating. I'm just gonna apply this on top. It's not too nude on the lips either, but it's really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed everything that I used on my face today. To be honest, I don't have any like, you know, those products. Everything worked so well on my skin. I was hesitant about the Glowish by Huda Beauty. I think on my skin it just looks so good. Really excited. I kind of enjoyed every single product that I bought. I'm not returning anything. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, and see ya. Bye.